Alright, this time, pag-uusapan naman po natin is how to solve for multiple integrals. So, more of the problems and definitions of this one, you may have my first references yan, on our link. So, to review for this one, let me example, we have example number 1. Okay, the integration, dalawa sila. Kung dati nagsosolve ka ng isa, ngayon, marami na sila. So, para i-solve mo yan, kailangan maintindihan yung inner integration mo. Pag sinabing inner, yung pinakaloob, ito yung mga yun. Okay, inner. Kasi pwede siya independently na ma-solve. Kahit wala to si dx, saka itong isa. So, unahin muna natin siya bago yung labas. So, unahin natin si 4, from 4 to 0, x squared dy. So, basic integration, ilabas natin itong si x squared, matira si 4, 0 dy. Integration of dy is y. So, this is x squared y from 4 to 0. Okay? So, palitan natin ngayon si y ng 4 at saka 0. This is x squared from 4 minus 0. So, the answer will be 4x squared. So, now, this is your inner answer. Unang answer mo yan. Ngayon, balikan natin ito para ka nag-U method. So, papalitan natin ito, ni 4x squared. So, this will become, ang next formula natin, 0 to 1. Ito yun. And the 4x squared dx. Okay? So, isolve natin siya ngayon. So, ito, madali na itong integrate kasi solo na siya. Yan. 4x cubed kasi nag-add ka ng 1 from 1 to 0. So, palitan natin 4 times 1 raised to 3 over 3 minus 0. The answer is 4 over 3. Okay? So, that's how you solve a multiple integration. Try naman natin ng tatlo. Alright. This time, try naman natin ng tatlo. Yan na ngayon ang problem mo. As you can see, tatlo sila. Same nung nauna, kailangan mong hanapin yung inner function mo na independent, which is ito. Pinaka-una. Ito. Yan, yung may unang D. Kasi kahit yan lang, pwede na tayo mag-solve. So, try natin yung itong una. So, una natin, medyo mahaba-haba ito. This is y plus z 0 x, y, z dx. So, as you can see, hindi naman natin pwedeng isolve si y at saka z. Inappropriate sila. So, makukonsider natin si y at saka z as constant. So, ilalabas natin sila, matitira si x para makapag-integrate po tayo. So, labas natin y, z, ang matitira, y plus z 0 x dx. Okay? Using power rule, integrate natin to. Y, z, magiging x squared over 2 from y plus z to 0. Okay? Ito yun. Y plus z to 0. Next natin, of course, we have to distribute your y plus z sa ating mga x. So, this will become yz y plus z squared tama over 2 minus 0. Check na natin. Ngayon, we have a problem here. We have squared here. And nakita natin meron tayong y plus z. Pa itong a tapos b. Alam niyo yun? So, pag ganito, gagawin natin ay si binomial equation. So, this is yz magiging y squared plus 2yz plus z squared over 2. Okay? So, labas natin si 2 tapos i-multiply natin sina y at saka si z. So, labas natin magiging 1 over 2. Multiply natin yz tapos itong si y squared magiging y cube z. Y cube z plus itong si 2y squared z squared plus z plus y z cube. Okay? So, this is our first answer. Okay, haba. O, ngayon, proceed tayo with the second one. Okay? With the second one. So, paano to? Proceed tayo with the second one. Type natin si 1 over 2. Pasok natin si 0 at saka si z. Okay? Then, rewrite this one. We have to rewrite this one. Okay? Tapos si dy nun. Si dy. Ito. Si dy. Rewrite natin. Y cubed z plus 2y squared z squared plus y z cubed dy. Okay? dy na tayo. So, we have to integrate with this one. Of course, ito, may mga y na tayo dito. Tama? So, integrate natin sina y. So, we have 1 over 2 integration y raised to 4 kasi 3 ito. So, magiging 4z plus 2y cubed z squared over 3 plus y squared dz kasi 2 to. Sorry, raised to 3 tapos 3 plus 2 from 0 to 2. Now, so, to get is with this one, para mapadali natin, kailangan natin i-replace sina 2 sa mga at 0 kina y. So, this will become 1 over 2, magiging si y ay 2 times, 2 raised to 4 z over 4 plus 2 times 2 raised to 3 z squared over 3 plus 2 raised to 2 z cubed over 2 minus 0 kasi 0 naman din ito. Okay? Now, gawin natin siya ng mas maayos at mas madali. Okay? Dahil this is 2. So for this one, we have to simplify them. Enable that we could get the right answer for each one of them. So we have here the 1/2, the 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3. Okay? And simplify mo sila. So of that, we could get a z raised to 5, tama? Para pareho natin sila. Itong sina z, ito, tsaka ito. Okay? So, simplify natin sila. You can get a value from this 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to, simplify mo po yung mga yan. Tapos si 2 raised to 4, we can get, para makakuha tayo ng para-parehong z, kasi if we could get the z, i-add natin sila z, we could get a z raised to 5. Alright? So, to solve for this one, we could get z raised to 5 over 4 plus 2 z raised to 5 is 3 plus z raised to 5 over 2 minus 0. Simplify natin. This is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. 17 over 24. Kasi ito yung mga, this common denominator, z raised to 5. Okay? So, if we will just add with this one, multiply, this is 17 over 24 z raised to 5. This is your second. Next natin, we can now get our final answer. Okay? So, we have to get now our final answer. I'm so sorry. This is not 24. This is 12. And this is 12. Okay? This is 12. So, 1 times 17, tapos 2 times 12 is 24. So sorry about this one. Kasi cancelled ito. Alright, let's proceed now to solve for the last part, the 0 and 1. Ito yun, 0 and 1. Tapos the 17 over 24 z raised to 5 dz. Okay? So, to solve for this one, equals to 17 over 24. So, 1 z raised to 5 dz. 17, 24. Tapos z raised to, ay natin, power rule. 1 to 0. 17. 24. This will become 1 raised to 6 or 6 minus 0. So if we will simplify, the answer will be 17 over 144. So that is the answer for this one that has a long multiple integrals. So that's it for our multiple integration.